Hi everybody, we're back with more Revit training and we're going to continue with this model here. We're going to look at our structural model in this tutorial. So I've got some trusses in here and I've got our elevation view, a north elevation, so we can kind of see what's going on here. So our top of footing is going to be at -2.6 and our level 1 is going to be at this level. Okay. So what we're going to do now is we've got a detail here. This is done in Revit. This is a detailed drawing of basically this wall and this footing. So what we're going to do in this tutorial, we're going to recreate that, recreate this in our model, our structural model. So this is structure. So I'm going to go down to top of footing level, and then I have this wall here. So this represents this, and what's the width? 1'1" here. So what I'm going to do, just grab all these with a tab key, and go into my properties on the edit type. Now here, what I want to do is I want to go and select edit once again here. I want to duplicate first. We're going to call this we'll just call it wall for now, or foundation wall. And then we'll say okay. And then here we're going to edit this type, and I want to look at this in the preview, and I want to see it from a section view. So going back to that drafting view we saw, I'm thinking here, what did we have before? I don't know if I can get that view back, but I think we had, I'm gonna cheat here, guys. Cancel this out, cancel this out. Okay, there it is right there. So we had 4 inches of face brick, and then we had the CMU, concrete masonry unions on the inside. So we can find that wall here. So we're going to go back and we're going to go and continue to edit this. And then we're going to insert our, let me pull that over just a little bit so we can see what's happening. So we want to go ahead and insert and do another insert here, I think. And now what we'll have is on this is the exterior side here. We're going to go to our face brick. Okay, Revit. I don't have it warmed up, I guess, folks. I'm just going to go brick here. And, okay, we'll just take this one here for now. And we'll say okay. So there's our brick, but then we got to give it a thickness. That's why you don't see it there. So we're going to say this is going to be 4 inches. Okay. And then here we got this little layer of air. I don't know. Okay, here what do we have? We got one, so we got 4. We got to kind of figure out how to do this. What size are these dowels? I'm gonna see if this. Okay, so we got 4. Then I'm gonna go here and do another. Just gonna do an air space here. You can do this too. You can go air. And where is it at? Okay. We'll just do this for now, see what happens. And that's going to be probably about 2 inches in there. I'm just guessing here. We say okay here, and we're gonna say, yeah, it looks like about 2 inches. 2 inches there. Not 20. 2. Apply it. So there's my airspace, and then I CMU here. So we've got, I'm going to go with 10 inches here. And I'm going to go with masonry. We really might want to use the architect's model, but this is more structural, so concrete masonry unit right there. I'm gonna go okay. Okay. So there's our wall. Apply. Okay. So we have our walls now that we're going to use, and let's go have a look at our north elevation where we are. Okay. So now we're going to need a footing here, of course. And then from our sketch, okay, I'm going to measure this and see if this to scale. It's probably not. This isn't my detail. I just borrowed this. Okay, it might be. Cool. So what's this 1-1? Okay, so we're the scale here. So my footing is going to be 4-1 by 1-8. Wow. So I'm going to go into my structure tab. I like to do this kind of stuff in the 3D view. So there's our wall. And then we need to get a footing in here. So I'm going to just go to structure, and then I'll go to wall. And here, let's just place one, because I'm not sure what our dimensions are here. What's the default one in here? Because there's normally a default here. So I'm going to go with my wall. Okay. So there's our footing for the foundation of our building in our structural model. So we're not going to really worry about it in the architect's model. I probably should have just did all wood here, but I'm just kind of matching this detail. So that's how you would do that. And now, go back to my level 1 here, top of footing drawing. So there's the wall and the footing. So now we need to check the size of our footing. So I'm going to tab all these. I'm going to grab all these, tab it. Okay. Oh well, I don't have to do that. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to grab this wall here. I'm going to edit this type. So at the moment, that's 1 by 1. But here we got a 4-footer. So let's go with, interesting. What was this, 4-1? Let me measure that again. Well, let's see what happens. Let's go with 4 feet here. Total length, yeah, heel length. Okay, so let's go 4. 4-1, I think it was. Yeah, 4-1. Click apply here. Okay. So there we go. So that's the footing. No, I don't think that's it. Nope, Let's go back into my level 1 project browser. Okay, so this is not right here. So I'm going to edit this type. Now again, let's see. But anyway, I'm going to work this out here. Footing's not right. I'm going to just get this out of here. Tab. I'm going to tab this guy and delete it all. Just delete this out of here. Actually, I don't want to delete this. I'm going to just go ahead and edit this type. I'm not really understanding how this works now. Something I probably got to look up on the study. Edit type. I'm going to duplicate this. And this is going to be my wall. Okay. No, cancel that. We're looking at our footing now. Sorry. So that is our footing. So I'm going to edit this type. Okay. Bearing footing. Okay. Okay, so we're going to have to play around with this, folks. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to leave it there. See what I can fix these footings, because I'm trying to match our detail here. Let me just go on level 1 and see where we are with this. Just drop a section through here and just have a look here. See what am I doing here. Okay, so that's where I want it to be. We're good. But this has got to be wider, so I'm not sure what's this dimension here. Edit type. It's 1, 1. So the 4 here, 4 here. Apply. Okay. That's sort of what we're looking for. Was this actually 4 feet? I don't think so. Yeah, it was. Okay. And we have 4 feet here, I think. But hey guys, I'm gonna leave it here. Wow, 9.2. So okay, we got an issue here. So I think. Okay. Let's just cut this 2 1/2. I'm not sure what's going on with the heel and the toe. So anybody knows this, please let me know. Because, okay. There we go. So anyway, guys, I'm going to leave it there. So we got our footing in. A little bit of a struggle, but that's how we want to see it in our model. And this is for the structural. Like I said, I think I might even want to leave this until we see what's with the architect's model. But hey guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Helps me make videos like this every day. And y'all, please be safe. Again, this is the structural model, and we're looking at our foundation. All right, see you guys soon. Bye.